Good morning, Nigerians. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, irrespective of where, when you are watching this video. My name is Mbono Waxing from NLSoft, owners of 999.com and publisher africachoice.com. Live on this video, I want to walk you on how to apply for the distribution of 2,000 CNG powered tricycle by the federal government of Nigeria Youth Empowerment. Okay, so to get started, this is the site to go to. Come to this site. Okay, if you're watching on mobile, just type this site on your browser and you take it to here. Then click on what? Apply. You understand? Once you click on apply, it will take you to this page where you will need to fill your personal information. As you can see, you have to enter your personal information, after which you need to click next. That is the first step. Okay, once you have clicked next, it will take you to this page. As you can see, it will take you to this page where you need to enter your place of birth. Okay, so after that you click next again. So enter the information correctly and click next. It will take you to family information page where you need to enter your father's name, your mother name, then you click next once more, and it will take you to the fourth page, which is your education. So enter your education information correctly, then click next. It will take you to your driving information, which you need to enter also. To enter the information correctly and click next. It will take you to the grantor's information. So ensure you enter your grantor's information right. Enter the right information. And lastly, click on what? Submit. Click submit. And wait for the response code. As you can see, thank you. Your CNG application form has been submitted successful. So congrats, and I wish you all the best. Out of 10,000 or millions of applicants, they will only pick 2,000 people nationwide. So I wish you guys the best of the very best.